This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Gustafson. Location and view. If you are looking for a panoramic view and quiet location, you will love this first floor Corsica floor plan with features that include 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, updated kitchen and baths, screened lanai, fabric hurricane shutters, interior plantation shutters, and a great room with access to the lanai. The unit is beautifully furnished and has been immaculately maintained. Pelican Preserve is an active adult community with a town center with all the amenities you will be looking for, including a lap pool, free-form pool, flip-flops poolside restaurant, craft and sewing rooms, billiards, theater, pickleball courts, tennis courts, library, dog park, coffee bar and more. You owe it to yourself to take a look. For more information, review the details below or contact Connie Gustafson at 239-482-5700.